Today we're gonna make these delicious homemade ice cream sandwiches. Summer is perfect for ice cream sandwiches, so today we're gonna make homemade ice cream sandwiches. So I made these homemade chocolate chip cookies, but you could buy store-bought chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna put these down. So simple. So we have our 6 cookies here. Just vanilla ice cream, store-bought vanilla ice cream. Scoop it down here. Good amount on each one. And you can make these if you're having friends over or even just for your kids. Make these ahead of time, stick them in the freezer, and then they have their own little homemade ice cream sandwiches, which is perfect. They can take them whenever they want them. Perfect. Now we're gonna take our other cookie, smush them down. My goodness, these look delicious. Okay, then we have little chocolate chips. We're gonna put them, you can use mini or whole, like these are regular size, you can use mini too. Roll them like this. And then you're gonna stick these on a baking sheet and put them right in the freezer. Now we're gonna stick these in the freezer for a couple hours just so that they can get nice and firm before serving. We've taken them out of the freezer. These are adorable homemade chocolate chip ice cream sandwiches, are so cute. Plate them. And of course you can serve them with, my kids love chocolate syrup. So we'll serve a little chocolate syrup on top. If it wants to come out. Oh my goodness, what a decadent ice cream sandwich for the summer. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.